you can speak into that mic, sir.
Mr. Lopez, you were arrested on a charge of assault causing bodily injury on a family member. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this charge?
No.
Do you want one appointed to you?
No.
Are you sure?
You can always change your mind later. So if you want to get one appointed now, you can. If you change your mind later, you can do that.
So yes, I can.
Okay, counselor.
Thank you, Your Honor. How long have you lived in Amarillo?
Like 10 years?
10 years? Perfect. It's my understanding you have an associate's degree, is that correct?
Yes.
You also are employed, correct? And where do you work?
101.
All right. We'd like you to consider these factors in the setting of the bond, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, I'm gonna set his bond at $2,000. Conditions are F, G, H, K, O, and P. While you're out on bond, there's been a magistrate's order for protection issued between now and January 23rd, 2026. You can have no contact, direct or indirect. Cannot go within 200 yards of her residence or her place of employment. This order will be sent to you here in just a few minutes. You need to read it in its entirety and sign it. Also, you cannot commit any violations against the state of Texas, United States, or any other state. You must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drug, narcotic, marijuana, or alcohol without the consent of a doctor. And you may not own you may not possess or any handguns, weapons, or ammunition while you're on bond. Thank you.
Stand here and speak up.
Ms. Hill, you were arrested on a charge for failed to ID as a fugitive, intentionally giving false information.
Yes, sir.
Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
No.
Do you want one appointed to you?
Yes.
Okay, counselor.
Thank you, Your Honor. How long have you lived in Amarillo?
All my life.
It's my understanding you went to high school here as well.
Yes.
You also have family that lives here, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And you do have a mailing address? And you have a phone number that you can be contacted by?
Yes.
Okay. We'd like to ask for a PR bond for this, Your Honor.
Are you working or anything?
No, sir, I'm following from my social security.
Okay.
Okay, no.
I'm gonna set her bond at $2,000. I will make it a personal bond. Conditions are K. While you're out on bond, cannot commit any violations against the state of Texas, any other state of the United States.
Yes, sir.
You're not gonna have a bondsman calling you
Yes.
They're gonna give you a sheet of paper that has a phone number on it to keep up with your court dates.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Yes.
Mr. Harris, you were arrested on a charge of evading arrest or detention. At this time, that charge is being dismissed for lack of probable cause. So as soon as we're all through here and they can get to you, you will be released.
All right, thank you.
Keep in mind that they can come back later at a later time and make their probable cause, then they'll have a warrant issued and come back with that. So if they show up with a warrant you'll know what's going on, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning.
How are you?
And you?
Good, thank you. Okay, you were arrested on 2 charges. One for criminal trespassing, one for resisting arrest, search, or transportation. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
I cannot.
You want one appointed to you? Counselor?
Thank you, Your Honor. How long have you lived in Amarillo?
I want to say around 8 years.
8 years? All right, and you attended high school, is that correct? What high school did you attend?
Plainview High School.
It's my understanding that you're employed as well, correct?
Yes.
And when was the next time you're supposed to be into going to work?
Today.
Today. We'd like for these factors to be considered in the setting of the bond, Your Honor.
Thank you. Right, on the resisting arrest, I'll set his bond at $1,500. On the criminal trespass, I'll set his bond at $750. Conditions on both are K. While you're out on bond, you cannot commit any violations against the state of Texas, any other state, or the United States. Thank you.
And as for payment plans on that, is there, what were the payment plans on that?
Whatever the bondsman will work out with you, I don't have any idea.
Yeah.
Is there any more information that you need from me as far as how much I pay for rent or utility?
I'm good. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Ms. Dominguez, you were arrested on a charge of theft of property. Is it less than $100 enhanced? Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
Yes, sir.
You want one appointed to you,
Yes, sir.
Counselor?
We're going to agree with the state that a PR bond is accurate for this charge.
Are you working? Are you employed anywhere?
No, no, sir.
Are you currently on bond for anything else?
No, sir.
Okay.
If I may add, Your Honor, she's been in Amarillo all of her life. She does have some college education and is currently helping her autistic grandkid and has another grandkid that was in the NICU and was recently released.
Thank you. I'm going to set her bond at $1,000. I will make it a personal bond. Conditions are K. While you're out on bond, you cannot commit any violations against the state of Texas, any other state, or the United States. So keep in mind, you're not going to have a bail bondsman keeping up with you. So they're going to give you a sheet of paper with a phone number on it. Check with that number weekly or whenever it is to keep up with your court dates. Okay? All right. Thank you. Mr. Butler, you've had a charge added to you, a warrant for indecent exposure. Can you afford an attorney? Do you already have an attorney court appointed, or what's your status?
Yes, I have a term for it.
Okay, you want to continue with that one on this charge also?
Yes, sir.
And it's court appointed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Counselor?
Thank you, Your Honor. Pursuant to the arrest report, he does have an address here in Amarillo and a phone number to be contacted by. So we just ask for a very reasonable bond.
Okay, thank you. I'm gonna set his bond at $1,000. Conditions are K. Well, while he's out on bond, cannot commit any violations against the state of Texas, any other state, or the United States. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
I thought they were going to set about another charge too.
No, just that one.
Just that one.
Yes, sir.
Ms. McCampbell, you had a charge added to you. It's an out-of-county charge from Lubbock County for bond forfeiture theft. Less than $2,500 with 2 previous convictions. Can you afford an attorney for this, or do you already have an attorney for this, or what's your status?
Attorney from whenever I got bonded out, I'm not sure if she's still my quote unquote attorney, but I would like an attorney, please.
Okay. Was that attorney you had for the Lubbock charge, was she in Lubbock?
Yes.
Okay. We'll let you continue with her. And if she's not still on, we'll appoint you another attorney in Lubbock, okay?
Okay, do I have to wait until I get to Lubbock to get the attorney, or can you send me the paperwork?
Well, you can have the paperwork, but the appointment for the attorney takes place in Lubbock on the Lubbock charge.
Okay,
Okay, so Lubbock sets your bond at $6,099. So, thank you. Mr. Galindo, you've had a charge added to you. It's a charge out of Randall County, a warrant for collision involving damage to a vehicle equal to or greater than $200. Can you afford an attorney, or do you already have an attorney? What's your status?
Lynn Barkley,
I'm
Yes.
sorry, what?
attorney, yes, sir.
You do? Is it court appointed or what is it?
Court appointed.
It is? Okay. You want to continue with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Randall County sets your bond at $2,500.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
A little bit lower, the fact that I already have. Can you go a little bit lower, sir, due to the fact
I
that
can't, Randall County said I can't override the judge in Randall County, so
All
that's
right.
it. Well, thank you.
Just stand here and speak to that concern.
Macias, you were arrested on a charge of online solicitation of a minor or sexual conduct. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
I cannot.
Do you want one appointed to you?
In the future, like when he goes to court and stuff,
I can't hear you. I'm sorry, what?
court and stuff, yeah.
I still can't hear you.
Sorry, I said when he goes to court, I'd be wanting an attorney.
So you want a court-appointed attorney? Okay, thank you. Counselor?
Thank you, Your Honor. How long have you lived in Texas?
I lived in Texas roughly 4 years.
And you have an address in Pampa, is that correct?
Yes,
It's my understanding that you're also employed.
I am.
And where do you work?
I work for Viva Distribution, which is also known as Red Bull.
Perfect. It's my understanding that you have a college education, is that correct?
Yes, it is.
And did you graduate from college?
Yes, I did.
We'd ask that these factors are considered in the bond setting, Your Honor.
Thank you. Gamazetti's bond at $15,000. Conditions are K, O, and L. While he's out on bond, he cannot commit any violations against the state of Texas, any other state of the United States. He cannot have any contact with any child under 17. And he must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drug, narcotic, marijuana, or alcohol without the consent of a physician. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Stand here and speak.
Ms. Newton, excuse me. You were arrested on a charge of possession of a controlled substance, a program 1-1B drug equal to or greater than 1 gram, less than 4 grams. At this time, that charge is being dismissed for lack of probable cause, for no tests and no weights on the drugs. So as soon as you can take care of your other charges, your city charge and your county JPCA charge, then you'll be released from jail. Okay? Keep in mind they can come back at a later date and make their probable cause. If they do, they'll get a warrant for you and they'll come back and you'll be arrested at that time. All right? Thank you.
You can speak to it.
Okay, you were arrested on a charge of unauthorized use of a vehicle. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
Oh, I cannot, sir.
You want one appointed to you? Yes?
Yes, please.
Okay. Counselor?
Thank you, Your Honor. So how long have you lived in Texas?
About 3 years.
On and off, okay. It's my understanding that you have your GED, is that correct? And you are employed?
Yes.
And where do you work?
EG tree service.
We ask that you consider these factors in the bond setting, Your Honor.
Thank you. Are you currently on bond for anything else?
No, sir.
Okay. We'll set his bond at $3,500. Conditions are K and O. While you're out on bond, you cannot commit any violations against the state of Texas, any other state or the United States, and you must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drug, narcotic, marijuana, or alcohol unless under the consent of a physician. Thank you.
Good.
Here's some good.
Ms. Rivera, you were arrested on a warrant for probation violation, possession of a controlled substance,
Yes, sir.
program 1-1B drug equal to or greater than 1 gram, less than 4 grams. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this? Do you want one appointed to you? Okay, the bond has been denied at this time. You'll be taken before Judge Johnson in the 47th District Court. She's the one that issued the probation violation warrant, and she will set your bond. Okay? Thank you.
For a second.
Okay, is it Loehr? Is that how you say your name?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. You were arrested on a warrant for collision involving death. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
Yes, sir, I have one.
You already have one,
Yes, sir.
and you're paying for it? It's not a court appointed
No, I'm paying for it. Yes, sir.
counselor?
Thank you, Your Honor. Are you employed?
Yes,
Where do you work?
I work for a construction company.
Perfect. And you have an Amarillo address, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
How long have you lived in Amarillo?
For 34 years.
34 years. All right. And you also have a phone number to be contacted by, is that correct?
Yeah.
All right. We ask that you consider these factors in the bond setting, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna set his bond at $100,000. Conditions are K, O, and J. Must remain home between the hours of 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. If you work during those hours, you must be at your place of employment or en route to or from your place of employment to your residence. Cannot commit any violations against the state of Texas, any other state or the United States, and you must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drug, narcotic, marijuana, or alcohol without the consent or guidance of a physician. And also, you can have no contact with your co-defendant, Alexander Montes. Thank you.
Your bond company. So, you'll work with them. Okay.
Is that everybody?
So,
All right. See y'all tomorrow.